Welcome to our tutorial on customizing your Snapchat widget for 2025. Let's explore how to make your home screen uniquely yours. This year, Snapchat has rolled out exciting new features that enhance your widget experience, making it even easier to stay connected. First, let's dive into how to access those widget settings. Follow me through this step-by-step guide. Choosing the right size and style for your widget is crucial. Let's find a design that fits your home screen perfectly. Now, personalize your widget by selecting which snaps, stories, and friends to showcase. Here's some quick tips. Don't forget about colors. We'll show you how to adjust your widget to perfectly match your aesthetic. Let's set up notifications. This way, you'll never miss an important snap or story from your friends. Now it's time for the fun part. Let's test your widget to ensure everything is working smoothly. Once you're happy with your custom setup, share it with your friends. Let's inspire each other. Thanks for watching. Remember, your Snapchat widget is a reflection of you, so get creative and engage with your customized designs.